Welcome to How to Do. I'm Gogi, and today we're gonna talk about this CP Plus CCTV camera. That how you can easily set up. That is E35A CCTV camera. That is from CP Plus, and how you can set up. First of all, requesting you like the video and subscribe the channel for get more videos like this. Now, what we have to do? Watch the video till the end and learn how to set up. First time use all the settings of CP Plus. First of all, you have to power up your camera using the power cable and adapter that you get with this camera. And after that, what we have to do, as you can check out, this camera revolves around here and there, and after that it's ready to pair. Now what we have to do after that? First of all, you have to download ezykam plus app. That is QR code is also provided on the box of your CCTV camera. Then what do you have to do? You have to scan that, and after that install that app, as you can check out. And if you want to check out for links, I will provide you in the description below, and you can check out from there. First of all, install that app. Until it's app is installing, I am requesting you please like the video and subscribe the channel for get more videos like this. Now our app is installed, we are opening it, but before that please off the camera and on it again, so that it easily can pair with your phone. Now what we have to do, we have to open the app, as you can check out in front of you, and after that you have to click on sign up if you have not account on this app. Now what we need an email address. You have to enter that email address and click on get a verification code. After that you get a email on your mail address, and from there you have to copy that code, enter verification code option, and after that you have to set the password as your preferred password. You can set up over there and click on done. You have to use special characters, alphabets, numerics, etc. Then you have to enter that and click on next. After that click on it will show you that your production analysis data, anything like this. Click on go to app, and when you click on go to app, it will show you something like this. From there you have to click on any plus icon that shows that you want to add a device. After that you will see a huge list of cameras, lighting, sensors and doorbells. Now you can choose any camera, camera which you are using or trying to set up. Our camera is E35A. You have to click on that CP E35A, and after that it will show you like this. But if you want to auto scan, click on auto scan, and it will ask you about the location access. Click on and provide that, and enable Wi-Fi, enable Bluetooth, and after that you have to click on start scanning. It will try to scan and find your camera, but if you're not able to scan that, you can click on QR code scanner. You can click on QR code scanner if not possible or not able to scan. Now as you can check out, we are trying via the QR code, it's not also working properly. Now go to manually add and choose the CP E35A camera. Click on this camera model. It will ask you that you really want to add this camera. Click select the next step and click on next, and after that it will ask you about the Wi-Fi password of your Wi-Fi. Now you have to provide that Wi-Fi password and click on next. When you click on next, it will show you a QR code and ask you to show this QR code to your camera. Now you can easily set up your phone, and using your CCTV camera you can try to scan the QR code. But if you not able to success in this, you can just set up your CP Plus camera, and after that try to scan via moving your mobile backward and forward. When you try to do so,
you will see that your camera has scanned your device, and it's try to adding to device. It will try to scan and show you that the device is successfully added into your mobile phone. As you can check out, it's showing that device added successfully. Click on done, and after that you will see that your camera's preview is available on your mobile phone, as you can check out. And when you press and hold this talk back button, you can talk to anyone who is in front of your camera. If you want to track motion, click on motion track. Motion detection, it will notify you. Sound detection, it will notify you that there is a sound on your mobile phone. It will provide you the details. You can choose themes, galleries, playbacks, anything. These are the all these settings and options of this CCTV camera from the CP Plus.
If you like this video about this CP Plus camera, don't forget to like, share with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos like this. Be with us, keep learning how to do.